Okay, so do this slick bun with me. This is an old braid out. I don't do slick buns a lot. I do it like every quarter because my hair is thick. Anyway, this was an old braid out. Let's get into it. So I start off with water, of course, Denman brush, hard bristle brush, the gummy edge control, Eco Styler. Of course, start in the back. I separate that in two. In the back, all I use is water and Eco Styler because I think the gummy control is like too much. I do like a really like soft, like loose bun in the back because overall I want all the back in one ponytail, so I continue to add to that one ponytail in the back. And actually I left my scrunchie in my ponytail. Anyway, add water, brush it down, all that. I keep adding to is one big ponytail. That's just half, well, most of it, and then I'm adding the second part. So now this is all the back of my hair in one ponytail. Yes, look at it all in its glory. Anyway, this is the front, the most important part. I had to pray a little bit. Anyway, I try to get like a semi middle part. I don't want the middle part all the way down, but anyway, that's how I do it. So how I separate my hair, I do like vertical parts, and so the crown area and like the side of my hair is like two different like sections, and like I keep adding on to like that clip. Yeah, I keep adding on to that clip right there. I do the crown as one, so it's kind of like two parts. So I just keep adding on to it until I'm ready. So edge control now comes in because the front is, I need it to be a little bit more slick. You see how I'm continuing to add to that like hair clip? That's what I'm doing. You see how slick? It's slick. It's something. It's slick. Anyway, I add a little bit more edge control to the front because, like I said, I still want it really slick. I'm using the black rubber band now, and you can see my reaction because this is actually pretty much torture. My arms are moving. You about to see my reaction after this. Ooh, this is tight, but ooh, I got it. Okay, she's slick. She's slick as she gonna be. Now onto edges, which is like kind of like my favorite part. I use the same edge control, and now you're about to see like my reaction to, I think I finally got this silk bun. Girl, we're gonna let that just be. It's gonna curl. I think I got it. I think I might get, and this is it. So this is a final result. I don't think I'm going to be a slip bun girl for real, but this is cute. I know how to do it now, so it's cute for now.